Looking for a great night's sleep in the back of your Jeep or SUV? Well, Pittman's got you covered with their Airbedz XUV. Pittman is the originator of the truck bed air mattress. Their Airbedz XUV is made to fit in your smaller Jeep, SUV, or crossover vehicle. What makes them truly unique is their wheel well cutouts. They've designed their air mattresses to fit around the wheel wells, creating a mattress that fills up the whole backseat area. This allows you to comfortably sleep with the maximum space your vehicle allows. This is perfect for the outdoor enthusiast or overlander looking to get a great night's sleep. These air mattresses are loaded with great features. Starting with the heavy-duty laminated fabric construction, this material is built to handle the outdoors and is ideal for the overlander. Pittman also designed these mattresses to use their comfort coil system. This integrated system of chambers evenly distributes the weight over a 10-inch thick mattress. There's even a built-in rechargeable air pump that will inflate or deflate the mattress with ease. You can play all day and sleep soundly at night with the Airbedz XUV. If you're looking to purchase the Airbedz XUV, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.